What's up, everybody? Welcome to a special edition of the Best of Code School for Kids Sunnyvale edition. Let's dive in and let's see what you guys in Sunnyvale have been building this week. First up, we have Pranav G's Money Making Game. So this is a millionaire who wants to be a millionaire style game where they ask questions and we have to provide answers. And the coolest thing about this, Pranav actually gave us directions. So we're not just wallowing in or languishing or whatever that big word is that means you're just kind of treading water and you're trying not to drown, trying to figure out what the game does. Pranav actually gives us directions. So the very first thing we need to remember is if we get any question wrong, we lose all our money, we become homeless, we have to eat out of the garbage, and we have to start over. All right, so what is California's state flower? That is the golden poppy. All right. Oh, I got $100. Awesome. What is California's state bird? Pidgeotto? Of course it's not a Pokemon. Come on, people. Awesome job, Pranav. All right, here we have Arvin's Python project. Now, this is to pass a belt test, so this should be pretty amazing. So let's go ahead and hit play here and whoa, the colors. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. All right. I don't know how you got the turtle to draw that fast. That is incredible. Oh, Bob.speed. Well, there's your problem. You set it to 1,000. That's really fast. This is incredible, Arvin. I love the fact that you cycle through pretty much all of the colors. I mean, there's orange, there's yellow, there's green, there's cyan, there's blue, there's purple, there's red, there's orange, there's yellow. There's green. Oh, awesome job, Arvin. All right, here we have Rajiv's annoying kid game, I'm guessing. So what is your name? My name is Steven. You guys should know that. Maybe you don't. All right, why is it Steven? Let's see, because my parents picked Steven. Why is it because my parents picked Steven? They couldn't think of anyone they didn't like with the name Steven. Because all Steven, no, I'm just kidding. Not all Stevens are cool, but this is a really, really cool project. I like the fact that they did it in 5 lines of code. I mean, look at this. 5 lines of code, and they have a game that will consistently ask you why over and over again. In 5 lines of code, you can be the most annoying person on the planet. Awesome job, Rajiv. All right, so Evan has this incredible game. This is a video game style game. It's a text adventure game that actually has, well, it had to load in and hi, welcome to the jungle. Oh, I keep forgetting, what is your name? This is the same intro that I get when I play every Zelda game known to man. I go to the main character and mysteriously they have forgotten my name, even though I'm the main character in this entire world and I'm the hero that's gonna save everybody. Apparently, nobody knows my name, so my name is Steven. Let's see what else you got to offer, Evan. Hello, Steven. Hello, mysterious game. I am the computer. That's my name, okay? You're walking in the jungle, finally, adventure. Okay, so this is really, really cool. I'm not gonna bore you with putting in my boring answers. You go in and put your own answers in, search Evan in the showcase and check out this game. It's really, really cool. That's it for this week. Everybody keep building amazing things. You guys are posting so many Python projects to this showcase. I'm always impressed when I jump in and see all your guys' projects. So keep building amazing stuff.